Alright guys, time for box break 2. This is box break 2 of Topps Jumbo Packs. My lovely camera lady isn't getting home till very late tonight, so I'll be doing this one on my own again. Okay. Hopefully there's something nice in here. Just happy with the last box, wouldn't complain if it's along the same lines. Not gonna waste your time with base. We have an Al Hartford, sorry, I suck at pronunciations, you probably realize that already. Gold to 2007. Hakeem Warwick Generation Now. Own the Game, Jason Kapono. And I was reading those are statistic leaders. So each card of that is going to be the leader for the year. Rookies, Greg Oden, Kevin Durant. Safe to say that is how every pack is going to seem when you get the rookies. Parallels. Next pack. I'll try and keep this video a lot shorter than the last one. Alright, we got a copper of Jermaine O'Neal, number 48 of 50. Generation Now, Ryan Gnomes. Bill Russell. Then rookies. And then the parallels, or yeah, different parallel versions. 2 packs down, 8 to go. This one looks like it might have my jersey card in there. Yeah, it does. Generation Now, Sean May. Kevin Garnett. Own the Game. Ben Gordon jersey card. Not numbered. Checklist. Rookies. And then the parallels. There was a Durant in there. Now you guys know when you're buying these packs that they pretty much look to be the same in every sort of fashion when you go through them. Alright. Gold, Al Thornton. Generation Now, Randy Foye. Marcus Camby, Own the Game. Checklist. The rookies. And then the parallels. Not sure how many are in the set, but it looks like they just did a parallel of every single player, or actually some of the bigger ones. They are numbered on the back all the way up to 121, so it looks like it should be a decently sized set. Okay, jump into the back. Marcus Williams, Generation Now. The Bill Russell parallel. Rookies. And the parallels. Another Kevin Durant. Half box down, still gotta get the auto. And if I'm lucky, a rip card. We have a gold Raymond Felton, the Generation Now Charlie V, the Bill Russell, and rookies. Again, parallels. Not sure how much of a repeat buy this is unless you're looking just to get the hits. I think it's pretty obvious that you get the full set from one box alone. More than likely you're going to be getting more than one set. Looks like 2. Brandon Roy, Generation Now. Own the Game, Baron Davis. Checklist. Rookies. And parallels. Alright, 3 packs to go. Still got to get myself the auto. Okay, Luke Walton, Generation Now. Oh, man. Boris Diaw, auto, again. I like it, but that sucks getting 2 autos, same ones. Steve Nash Own the Game. Oden, Durant. And there goes my sign. Parallels. Alright, 2 packs to go. Doesn't look like there's anything else left in here. If I'm lucky, I'll get a rip card. But Not holding my breath. Skipping to the end. Bargnani Generation Now. Bill Russell. Rookies, Odin Durant again. Alright, last pack. Gold Marcus Williams. Hey, another extra Boris Diaw card that I got in the last box. Bill Russell. Rookies. Rookies everywhere. And then the Parallels, Greg Oden. Alright, that's that box break. To recap, Ben Gordon jersey card. And yet again, Boris Diaw auto. Lucky me. Alright, thanks for looking. Later.